8 reasons your car shakes when braking and what you should check first. You press the brake pedal and suddenly something feels wrong. The steering wheel starts shaking, the brake pedal feels uneven, and the whole car no longer feels smooth. At first, it may only happen when you brake at higher speeds. Then slowly, it starts happening more often. And that is when most drivers start to worry, because shaking while braking is not normal. And more importantly, it is not something you should ignore. In many cases, this problem comes from the braking system, but not always. Sometimes the real cause can come from the wheels, the suspension, or even small installation mistakes. That is why guessing can lead to replacing the wrong parts. In this video, I'll show you 8 common reasons your car shakes when braking, and more importantly, how to understand the pattern so you can check the right thing first. Let's go step by step. Reason number 1, warped brake rotors. This is the most common cause. Brake rotors are supposed to be flat, smooth, and evenly balanced, but over time, heat becomes the enemy. Every time you brake, the rotors heat up. If that heat builds unevenly or cools unevenly, the rotor surface can develop high and low spots. That is what people call warped rotors. And when the brake pads press against that uneven surface, you feel vibration. This vibration usually shows up through the steering wheel, especially at higher speeds. The faster you're going, the more noticeable it becomes. You may also feel a pulsing sensation in the brake pedal. That pulsing is actually the pad moving over uneven rotor thickness. Common causes include hard repeated braking, cheap rotor material, or improper installation. And once this starts, it usually gets worse over time, not better. Reason number 2, uneven brake pad wear. Brake pads are designed to wear evenly, but if they don't, they stop making smooth contact with the rotor. And that uneven contact creates vibration. This can happen for several reasons. The pads may wear at an angle. One pad may wear faster than the other, or the surface may become glazed. Glazing happens when pads overheat and develop a hard, smooth surface. That reduces friction quality and creates inconsistent braking. You may notice slight shaking, reduced stopping power, or even squeaking noises. This problem is not always as strong as rotor warping, but it still affects braking smoothness. Reason number 3, stuck or uneven brake caliper. The brake caliper is responsible for applying pressure to the brake pads, but if it gets stuck or does not move freely, it can create uneven braking force. For example, one side may brake harder or one pad may stay partially pressed against the rotor. That imbalance creates vibration. You may also notice the car pulling to one side, burning smell from one wheel, or excessive heat on one side. This is more than just a comfort issue, because uneven braking affects control, and over time it can damage rotors and pads even faster. Reason number 4, loose or worn suspension components. Now we move beyond the brakes. Your suspension system keeps the car stable, especially under braking force. When you brake, weight shifts forward. That puts stress on components like control arms, bushings, ball joints, and tie rods. If these parts are worn, loose, or damaged, the car cannot stay stable, and that instability shows up as shaking. This type of vibration often feels different, less like a pulse and more like looseness or movement. You may feel it through the steering wheel, especially during harder braking. This is why sometimes replacing brakes alone does not fix the problem, because the real issue is in the suspension. Reason number 5, wheel imbalance or tire problems. If your wheels are not balanced or your tires have damage, you may already feel vibration while driving, but when you brake, that vibration becomes stronger. Common causes include uneven tire wear, flat spots, internal tire damage, or bent wheels. Here is a key clue. If the car vibrates even when you are not braking, the issue is likely not the brakes. It is more likely a wheel or tire problem, but braking can amplify it. That is why the pattern matters so much. Reason number 6, loose or improperly torqued lug nuts. This is less common but very important. If the wheel is not properly secured, it can shift slightly under braking force, and even a small amount of movement can create noticeable vibration. This often happens after recent tire service. If lug nuts were not tightened correctly or not torqued evenly, the wheel may not sit perfectly, and that creates instability. This is a safety issue, not just a comfort issue. So if the problem started after tire work, this should be checked immediately. Reason number 7, brake rotor deposits, or uneven pad material buildup. This is often confused with warped rotors, but it is slightly different. Sometimes the rotor itself is fine, but the surface has uneven deposits from the brake pads. This creates spots with different friction levels, and when the pads contact those areas, it feels like vibration. This can happen when you brake hard and hold the pedal, you stop and keep the brake pressed while the rotor is very hot, or new pads are not properly bedded. The result feels very similar to warped rotors, but the cause is different, and sometimes it can be corrected without replacing parts. Reason number 8, worn or damaged wheel bearings. Wheel bearings allow the wheel to spin smoothly, but when they wear out, they create play where there should be none. Under braking, that play becomes more noticeable because braking force pushes everything forward, and any looseness gets amplified. You may feel vibration, hear humming or grinding, or notice instability at speed. This is not the most common cause, but it is a real one, and it should not be ignored because a failing bearing can get worse over time. Now here is something very important. What should you check first when your car shakes while braking? Start with the pattern. Ask yourself, does it only happen when braking or all the time? Does it get worse at higher speeds? Do you feel it in the steering wheel, the brake pedal, or the entire car? These details matter because they help narrow down the cause. Next, check the simple things first: tire condition, wheel tightness, any visible damage. Then move to the braking system. Inspect rotors, pads, and calipers. And if nothing obvious appears, consider suspension components. Because many times the problem is not just one part, it is a combination of wear. Now let's quickly recap. Your car may shake when braking because of warped brake rotors, uneven brake pad wear, a stuck brake caliper, worn suspension components, wheel or tire issues, loose lug nuts, brake rotor deposits, or worn wheel bearings. Some of these are simple, some are more serious, and some directly affect safety. That is why this problem should never be ignored, because smooth braking is not just about comfort, it is about control. And now I want to hear from you. What did your car feel like when it started shaking? Was it the steering wheel, the brake pedal, or the whole car? Comment below with your experience. And if enough people mention the same issue, I'll make the next video on that exact problem.